Hillbilly Nitro, your internet knife and gun guru. Here we are, guys, back with another episode, The Walk and Talk, episode 124. You're getting on up there, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me. And just a little plug, go over, there'll be a link in the description. Go over and check out my Instagram page, and if you like what you see, give me a follow over there. We're trying to build up the Instagram page. We may have some wind noise. Wind is going crazy at times, so just a little heads up there. But anyways, you've seen the title. Yes, we've got a Northwoody on the channel today. This right here is one of my favorites right here. This is the Northwoods Hawthorne Jack Vintage 2017. I shouldn't say it's my favorite Northwoods. My favorite Northwoods is a Bear Lake, and I don't have one. I'll probably never have one. I wish I could have one, but they're just too pricey nowadays. These things are going for like $6,799 is like the starting price for Northwoods on eBay. So I'll never have a Bear Lake. Wish I would, because they're beautiful to me. Anyways, this is not the subject of the video, but this is my favorite. We've cut many a steak with this, pork chops. It's a user, guys, and you know, I go easy on it. It's basically my eating knife mainly, but she's a little pocket queen, and as you see, I use her. But we'll get to the point of the video, guys. You're gonna love it. And these are classic right here. It's kind of hard for when you got a long 48 frame right there. It doesn't hold it in there very well, but I like this little setup right here, and you can see I've done some little art on there. Anyways, here we are. We'll go ahead and just christen her up with the old Hawthorne Jack that is razor sharp. I can't wait to see what's in this little package right here. I've seen a picture of it. I've seen a few pictures of it, but pictures don't hold nothing until you get her in your hands. So we'll open her up here, and I just fell out there. Oh, we got peanuts, guys. Peanuts. We'll save these for after the video. I don't want to pull these out on the ground because the wind's gonna blow them everywhere. Oh, and they taped it into the box. Oh, I love it. I just love when they do that. They think it's gonna go somewhere. Oh, guys, this is gonna make a mess. Oh yeah, peanuts everywhere. We got her out. Taping knives into the bottom of boxes. I've shipped many a knives. I've never had to do that. Anyways, let's carefully open this up here because I don't know what we got here. I don't want to cut anything that's not supposed to be cut. Somebody did not want this knife going anywhere. Look at this. This knife may have legs on it, and it may try to get away from us, guys. There we are. We got to her. Get out of here. There we go. Peanuts everywhere. We are doubled up. This thing might go underwater. I don't think I'm gonna cut any of this out of the video either. There we are. What do we got here? What do we got? I'm ship free. There's a plug. Chattanooga, Tennessee, baby. And here we are. Ooh, I see a price in there. No, they don't cost that anymore. Number 59. You ready, guys? We finally got to it. She's in a knife rug. Look at that. Check that little beauty out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that little sweetie. What do you think about that? Now this is Mammoth Ivory. Very creamy, I will say that. Very creamy. Kind of an almond color to me. She's nice and slick. Now, we've seen this in the picture, and there's a few issues right there. I don't know if that's from knife polish in there. It's got a little space in between that ivory and that bolster there. Check this out. It's got some, as you can see there. It's the reason why I've seen a few pictures of this one. I usually don't see the pictures of knives that I get because I just want to see them flat out, but there was a question if this was a crack or not, and I don't think it is. We've seen this issue with it. It's not too bad. I'm not going to press down on that though, I'll tell you that. What do you guys think about that? She's nice though. We've got peanuts going everywhere. Anyways, let's get to it. Very, very nice. Very nice. That's nice. Now, if this is coming from the run that I think it is, this is a nice spring there. There's some discoloring there. I think that's in the ivory though, so I think it's a huge issue. Now, I remember if this is coming from the same run, which I'm not sure. Let me look on this paper here. Yeah, this is a 2000. This is 2014. Yeah, this is a 2014. So this is not the run I was thinking it was from. So yeah, I had one on the channel. You can go back in the videos. It had a really light spring on it. This is a 2014, so it's got some juice to it. Very nice. Listen to this. Oh yeah, it don't get much better than that right there. That pull, it's like ice right there. That is just like ice. That's nice right there. That's a nice crisp snap. That pull. I'm gonna go a 7 right here, about a 7, and then this is about a 7, a little over a 7 of a push right there. Very nice thug on that. Very nice. It feels awesome. Let's take a look around her here. You see we have some coloring in that ivory there. Spot there. It's hard to believe. 2014, this thing's almost 10 years old. Coming up on 10 years. It's nice though. It's, you know, it's got some little issues there on those that transition into that bolster there. It's mainly this side, I think. Yeah, this side's got a little gap right there, but it's not bad. Little proud there on that bolster. It's catching my thumb really nice. Just slightly catching the fingernail. This side, no issues there. What you call that? That's, I don't think that's a crack. Some of the pictures I've seen, you know, I thought that was a crack, but it's not. It's just the way it is. Very nice. Now we're not going into the weights and measures of this one, but we're going to go the thickness on it. We've got a lot of these on the channel, so we don't need to go into weights and measures. There's your thickness there. That's probably the thickest. That's about the thickest point right there. Well, right there it is. Right there. What do you think about that, guys? What do you think about that? Would you want that in your collection? I would. Very nice. There it is, next up to that Hawthorne Jack. Red linen micarta. Very nice. It's hard to beat a Fremont, guys. Hard to beat one. So let's check that blade centering. I forgot about that. That's on the money, honey. Looks nice and tight on my back spring there. Can't see no light down through there, I'm sure. No, she's tight. Man, that feels good though. It's even got, it just, boom, got a little spring action there. Feels wonderful. Well, guys, I believe that's going to wrap this video up. I thank you guys for stopping by and hanging out with me on this windy, breezy day here in East Tennessee. Beautiful East Tennessee. We got spring coming up. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hillbilly, over and out of here, guys. Peace. Peace to the world. A lot of craziness going on. Till next time.